I've seen Mira do this to other kids.
Careful.
Aww. You're so beautiful. Look at you. Mira's like, that's how you get bit.
She's like, so.
Something new.
What's in this bag of tricks, huh? What's in this bag of tricks? Yeah.
Oh, what you got there? Something to put my mouth on.
I forgot Mira's toys.
We've got plenty. We've got plenty. Marlo, you're looking desperate. You're looking like a desperate little girl. She doesn't like you. She's going away.
Where are you going?